Well, hello, everybody. This is Professor Jeff, your fearless leader for Applied Human Development 2, and welcome to Week 7. Can you believe it? Week 7 out of an 8-week class. We're almost there. I did want to tell you that I'm beginning to grade and read everything. I've been reading all week, but I'm going to start grading tonight and tomorrow. And as a middle ager, it's been very interesting to watch, especially the younger students in this class, talk about middle age because they're really talking about your parents and other people like me that you know. I want to tell you that I'm 47 years old, and there are times where I feel 27. I had a junior hire tell me today, "You don't act 47," and I guess I don't. But I just got finished running, and my hip feels like I'm 47. So I have, many of you talked about been there, done that. I really feel like I have that. I have the experience. I have 25 years in ministry. I think I have a lot to give to younger people. But also, we are almost empty nesters, and we have friends that are actually getting divorced at this age, and there's a lot of depression and loneliness in that situation. And so there's a lot of ministry opportunities for people my age. So, with that said, we go on to week 7. And week 7 is we're going to talk about older age. And you guys get to make a life legacy, which is sort of an ethical will. Remember, this class won awards for being the best, won the award is for best class. And this is one of the reasons. These are very unique assignments that Professor Smith came up with. And I'm going to really enjoy reading them, and you'll get a grade on it, sure. But what I want you to do is I want you to share it. This isn't just an assignment you do for a class. This is something you can share with your wife or your girlfriend or your parents or friends. And it really kind of tells people where you are and who you are and where you're going and what you're all about. So you have some reading to do. You have the discussion board to do as well. I always, when I teach these classes, uh, I'm always a little sad because by the 6th and 7th week, you guys get the discussion down great, and the discussion boards have been fantastic. And so I'm looking forward to reading this week about how your church, specifically your church, how it does ministering to older people and what it can do better. And so, with that said, only one more announcement. The evaluations are up on the board now, on your Blackboard. And I'm going to ask you to fill those out. Today is April the 26th, I think. If you could fill those out by next Tuesday, no, that's wrong. I'm sorry. By next Friday. If you can fill those out, actually, if you can fill it out ASAP, it'd be better. But if you can fill it out by next Friday, that'd be very helpful. I'm relatively new at teaching these classes, and this is the first time I've ever taught 2 at one time. Actually 3 with a directed study. So any feedback you guys give me, I don't. Remember, I'm a middle ager, so I don't take constructive criticism. I take it well, and I don't get freaked out by it. So that's it. So I hope that God blesses you this week. If you have a question about the assignments, let me know. If you have a prayer request, let me know. Onward and upwards.